Hi everybody, and welcome to my channel. It's me, Foodman Paul Vlogs. Guys, today I'm in A&W in Heartland Shopping Center because we're gonna do a review, guys, for the spicy habanero chicken burger from A&W. And I'm hungry, but I just get up from work. And I want to eat something quick. At the same time, I came across with it. So guys, check it out. Gonna take you for a closer look. Look at how nice, man. They give me, because I ain't saying I'm gonna eat here. I'm not gonna do a takeout. I'm gonna eat it right here. So they give me a mug. They give me this nice tray and everything, fries, everything very nice. Check it out. Oh, ice cold, awesome, man. And I'm having fries. And this is my chicken, look at that. That's an awesome size. So it came with lettuce, tomato, breaded. The chicken is breaded with breadcrumbs, very nice, very red, very nice. It came also with aioli, cayenne pepper, aioli, jalapeno pepper. This is awesome. I'm gonna give it a try now. All right. Oh yeah. The breeding is awesome. I have a lot of lettuce. Look at that. Went crazy on the aioli. God, this is my first food review for A&W in a long time. Bueno, this, but yeah, this A&W is, I think this is, this is in Heartland. So I got this job, guys. So I'm doing some extra hours now on Saturday, or this Saturday only. Got some fries here. Okay, I'm about to give you guys my thoughts about it. A&W, guys, one of my favorite joints, burger joints, man, all-time favorite. Since I discovered it. Oh man, this root beer is too much. Tastes awesome. That root beer, oh yeah, baby. All right, check it out. The rating, what I find out that I like about this spicy habanero chicken burger, guys, the breeding is, you're gonna like it. So you know about breeding. You know this type of chicken sandwich have different kind of breeding. You know, for every burger joint who made this kind of burger, chicken burger, they got their own breeding. But this breeding, you're gonna like it. It's very good. I like the way it tastes like crumbs. It tastes really like crumbs. It looks like and it tastes like they're using real crumbs for the breeding. So that's awesome. The sauce is very tight. Very good. The lettuce and tomato super fresh, delicious. The size is good. The price is good. I got a combo. You buy it by itself, it's gonna cost you $7.69. The chicken burger itself, you get a combo, you're gonna get it around $11.58. Oh man, you're not gonna be disappointed, man. Look at this, the way they serve you here, man. Wow, I'm amazed. I feel like wow, man. I feel like I'm at home. Very nice style. People very nice, very friendly. The place is very clean, very big. So I'm giving this the chicken habanero the spicy habanero chicken burger for A&W. You get a total 10 for everything. Burger, delicious, the size, the way they treat you, everything. I'm rating everything right now. I'm rating everything that I'm here. Everything get a whole thing. Guys, give it a try. If you haven't tried the spicy habanero chicken burger from A&W, guys, give it a try. It's tight. It's very tight. Very good. You're not gonna be disappointed, I'm telling you. And the fry, look at that. The size of this fry. Wow, bro. So guys, this has been my food review for A&W spicy habanero chicken burger. Let me know in your comments below, guys, if you have tried this spicy habanero chicken burger or anything else. Let me know in your comments below what your thoughts about it. All right, I will see you soon, guys, for another food review. Take care. Bye.